Hello, Seattle. It's Realtor Emily Cressey here giving you your monthly market update. Now, what we are seeing is that year over year, all of the Seattle markets have grown. We are not crashing, we are not losing, we are going up in value. The big winners here are actually tied neck and neck from the data that I'm looking at today. We have Snohomish County very close to the lead at 11% growth year after year, rivaled by Bellevue, the city of Bellevue, one of the most expensive and hot ticket items in the whole state of Washington, has had 11.5% growth this year. So, wow, lots of money being made while we sleep in terms of home price appreciation. Congratulations if you are living in one of those areas. Not to worry if you're in Seattle or the greater King County area. Seattle has seen about a 3% price increase year over year, and King County is coming in at about a 5% price increase. So, what that means is that your home is still going up in value, just not as quickly as it normally does around here. Over the last 30 years, we probably have seen on average about a 6% price increase on homes. So you're still making money, just not as much as some of these hotter areas. Now, let's take a look at where we are with our median home prices. And in this graph, we're looking at Bellevue in black, Seattle in green, King County in red, and Snohomish County in purple. So Bellevue is obviously at the top of the list with a median home price of $1.57 million. That's a lot. Seattle, $825, King County, $862, and Snohomish County, $750. So Snohomish County still offers a relatively good deal. Remember, as we're looking at the Seattle data, that this does include condominiums as well as single family homes. And there are a lot of condominiums in Seattle, which could be lowering our averages overall. If you want me to slice and dice this differently with condos and single family homes pulled out separately, we can do that in a future video. Now let's take a look at how many homes are for sale. This tells us the inventory. If a lot of homes are sitting on the market, that means there's a lot to choose from. Buyers can take their time. They don't have to be stressed out about selling one home and buying the next. What I'm seeing here is that we are having an increasing inventory environment, and this has been the case all throughout the year. So that locked in effect that we had last year in 2023 in regards to people having a low interest rate and not wanting to sell and buy into a higher interest rate loan, that's starting to unlock. We're having higher levels of inventory now, which does provide a little bit of breathing room, a little bit more selection for buyers. But what really tells the tale about the strength of our market is this days on market figure. This is how long on a median basis it's taking homes to sell. And as you can see, homes are still selling very quickly. Within 2 weeks or less in our market it's somewhat typical for Seattle, but very strong compared to the rest of the market. Seattle is almost always perpetually in a seller's market, favoring sellers. Sellers have an easier time of getting their properties to sell quickly and for a higher price if they do a couple things right, which is to prepare the home appropriately, to price it appropriately, to market the heck out of it, to try to drive multiple offers. So there are things that need to be done and done well, but it does tend to be a market where you can sell your home quickly if you need to, which is really helpful, a big relief if you are trying to relocate and buy a home, especially a home in a different part of the country. But if you need to buy and then sell, you should be in pretty good shape as long as you do the things right that we talked about. I'm Realtor Emily Cressey. If I can help you price your home, click the button. I'd be happy to appraise it for what I think it would sell for in today's market. And if you just want more information about selling, we have that available for you too. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.